Hi everyone, my name is Vaibhav and I'm back. So today I will be showing you how to code snake water gun. I've already shown up a video in which I have made how I may like how does the snake water gun game work. So we'll be coding it. Okay, and as this is the first video, so we'll just be declaring some variables and be importing a module named as random. There are not so like there is one module only. So let's just start. Okay, so I'm just commenting snake snake water gun. Okay, now we'll just import the module named as random. Okay, so we don't need to install random because it's installed in every PC. Okay. Next, we'll make up a list. Okay, LST. Uh, okay, LST. It equals to S for snake, W for water, G for gun. Okay. Oh, just a second. I made up a mistake. Oh, so I'll just fix this. Just check it out. Okay. Next, we'll make up a variable named as chances. So how many chances are there? 10. Okay. So 10 chances and number of chances it starts from 0. Okay. Of chances equals to 0 and the compute point equals to 0. Okay, just a second. I'm just making the C capital of computer, okay? Just a second. And at last, human point, okay? Human point equals to 0. So we have just made up all the variables and imported the modules. We'll code next, the rest of it later. Thank you. Bye.